Hello, assalamu alaikum students.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम टीचर।
Assalaam, miss.
Walaikum
How are
salam.
you?
Walaikum
अस्सलाम वालेकुम टीचर।
Walaikum salam dear.
How are you, teacher?
Alhamdulillah fine. You tell bete, how are you all? Sanan, do recitation my dear. Let me check.
ओके। أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق من شر غاسق إذا وقب من شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahu Nazim. Jazakallah bete. Let more students join the class. Okay, Fatma Mohsin is joining. Amna Sheikh. Okay, let them join the class. We'll start it. Okay. Muhammad Danish, give a brief review what we did yesterday, bete. Ji bete. What we did yesterday?
We did double pronoun yesterday.
Speak loudly and clearly, bete.
We did double pronoun yesterday.
Okay, Ji Rija, you tell bete what we did yesterday.
Here we do.
Do let me know how many students made the brochure. Because tomorrow I will not accept that. Yes. Send the picture to me quickly in WhatsApp. Who made it
Teacher, I will submit today.
today?
Miss, मैं
You
आपको
know,
अभी दिखा
after
रही हूँ।
today, I will not accept that. ठीक है?
Okay.
Today is the last date to submit.
Okay.
After that, I won't be accepting it. It has 5 marks.
Picture in the brochure. We only have to make pictures now.
No, my dear, you have to tell the complete story in brief. ठीक है?
Assembly form.
Not the detailed one. You have to tell the starting in
टीचर
brief.
हम कंप्यूटर पे बनाइए।
How many characters were there? The major characters. Again, I am sharing. Look at the screen and clear it. Look at this. For example, you are writing about a book. Look at this. How did they write about the book? Look at this. It's a front page. The page has 2 sides. Now, bete, the page has 2 sides. In one side, you will make the front page. Fine. Then you will be writing your own name. I told you in this manner. Fine. Then you have to mention the list of characters. The second, what are the major characters and a small picture you can draw over there. Then the beginning, the middle and ending of the whole story. Okay? In brief, you have to draw a scene as well. Then at last you have to rate the book and tell your opinion about the book. Am I clear? Is that clear to everyone? And today is the last date to submit. Okay, na dear? I hope it's clear to everyone now. And after tomorrow, I will not accept that. Shahraza, you submitted it to me, but it was incorrect. You have to submit again that to me. I already have sent you message about it. Okay? Let Amsal join the class. Okay. Let more students join the class. Abdullah Danish is joining me. Amsal is also joining us. But everyone open the video of yours and do log in with your own name. In this manner, how could I get who is joining me? Please log in with your own name. Abdullah Danish, you log in with Khizr name. Bete, log in with your own name. How could I allow you, bete? Please open the video of yours, all of you. Okay, I'm starting the today's topic. Everyone should submit the brochure today to me. After today, I won't be accepting it. Fine. Is that clear to everyone? Rafi, Anaya, Abdullah Danish, Muhammad Saqib, Zayan, Umaira Iqbal. All of you should open the video. Otherwise, I'm removing you from the class. Please. Now you all able to listen to me. Am I audible to everyone? Use the thumbs up sign, the Zoom option, and do let me know. Okay. So I'm starting the today's topic. That's about the use of double preposition. Let Aryan also join the class now. Okay. I already told you how we can use in preposition in sentence. You all know that. Remember now, you have to make sentence as well. Today we have to practice as well, and we will be using in, into, inside, and within. These all are a little bit similar. Fine. Today we will learn the differentiate between all of them. In is simple preposition, but into, inside, and within, this all are double preposition. Am I clear to everyone? Show thumbs up sign to clear me better, please. You understand that? Did you understand? Okay. Now look at that. I'm sharing screen. Saqib, Zayan, please open videos. Please, bete, I want everyone to open the video. I'm sharing a screen now. Look at that. Okay. Okay, who is joining us now? Will you try to join the class on time, all of you? Okay, look at this. As I told you, we can use in preposition to indicate a location. How? For example, I am in my friend's house. Where am I right now? In my friend's house. So here it is indicating a location, a place. Okay? The preposition in, it's used to indicate a location, place. It's also used to indicate opinion and belief. For example, I believe in Allah. Okay? It also specify a day, month, or year or season. For example, I prefer to do maths in the morning. The session will commence in the month of March or in March. Clear? This is simple preposition and the use of preposition in. We also use the preposition in to indicate the color, shape, and size. For example, this dress comes in 4 size. Okay, here it is indicating color, shape, and size. Now look at the difference. Into. Where do we use the double preposition into? Vania is joining us. Wait. Let Vania join the class. Okay. Look at that. Where do we use into? Into is a double preposition. We use into when something or someone is going to get inside of something. For example, as I already told you, I am putting the fruit into the fridge. So at the time, I am doing action. I am putting it inside the fridge or refrigerator. Am I clear? For example, I am putting money into my pocket. Fine. I am putting the pencil into the box. Are you getting why I am using into? Because right now I am going to put it inside. Are you getting it? The action is going on right now. The thing that are already in. Okay? We use in for that. But the difference is that right now the action is going on. I'm doing so. ठीक है अगर मैं पहले से मौजूद हूं या पेन पहले से मौजूद है तो आई बी यूजिंग द पेन इज इन द बॉक्स ठीक है अब मैं रख रही हूं आई एम पुटिंग पेन इनटू माय बॉक्स ठीक है Did you understand the difference? Did you understand the difference between simple or double preposition in and into? How can you use in a sentence and how can you use into? Fine. Look at that. More example, I'm sharing it. I am placing my dresses into the cupboard or into the closet or into the drawers. Okay? But it's already, the dresses are already in the cupboard or in the closet. So you will be using my dresses or in the closet or in the drawers. Okay? Because right now I'm not putting inside anything. Okay? Okay. Now, look at that. Okay, wait, it's a little bit slower. Okay, now I'm again. Okay, now understand the difference between in, inside, and into. I'm sharing a screen. I want everyone to look at that. Look at that. What is the difference between in and inside? Fine. In so many cases, they are same. Okay, who is joining? Wait, let me check. Okay, Aryan again joining us. Wait, let me admit Aryan. Okay, for example, we are in the house or we are inside the house. Both are similar. Okay, in or inside. In and inside we can use in the same manner. Fine. The clothes are in the closet or inside the closet. That are enclosed. When something is physically enclosed or wrapped up in the box, we use it inside for that. Fine. At that time, for example, a box, something is in the vehicle or inside it, and that is physically enclosed, wrapped up. नहीं होती बंद हो जैसे box. ठीक है ना? Look at that. Inside. We don't use inside. Where we don't use inside? Where we are not physically surrounded. ठीक है ना? For example, my birthday is in July. ठीक है? I'll be using over here. He plays guitar in a band. ठीक है? I will not use inside over here. I can't use. My birthday is inside July. No, na. Because I am not talking about something that is inside the box or container. July में मेरी birthday है. I'm talking about this. ठीक है? Inside represent that you are physically enclosed. आप जुलाई के अंदर तो नहीं है ना? या आपकी बर्थडे जुलाई के अंदर? It's not like that. It's not physically enclosed. ठीक है ना? Physically enclosed का मतलब होता है कि वो wrapped up है उस चीज के अंदर. ठीक है? लेकिन जब आप अपनी बर्थडे की और अपनी पोजीशन की बात करते हैं कि you are in the band, so at that time आप physically enclosed नहीं होते उसके साथ. ठीक है? आप उसको indicate कर रहे होते हैं. Am I clear? Did you understand the difference between in and inside and into? Did you understand the difference? All of you, how can we use in, into, and inside? In is a simple preposition, into, inside, and within are double preposition. Now I'm moving forward and we'll be doing within. Within talk about duration, a time limit. Okay, let me receive. Aryan is in the class right now. जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम. Yes, yes, beta, I understand. Oh, maybe there is something wrong with the internet connection. Beta, check out your internet connection and again connect. Okay, beta. जी, now you can do it.
Teacher, your voice is cutting.
Okay, wait, let me check.
Yeah.
Now am I audible to all of you?
Yes.
Because I received your
Teacher,
call.
when you will
beta.
explain on to.
Yes, beta, because I am connected through data, the internet. Na? I'm not
Okay.
having electricity right now and I'm using mobile data right now. Am I audible?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Now listen it carefully, all of you.
Teacher, when you will explain on to.
Is this clear? Into, inside? Use thumbs up sign, please. Show me thumbs. Is it clear to you? I'll be moving forward. Show thumbs up sign. Ji. Mois, Vania, Anaya, better open video, Saqib. Ji, better Reja, unmute yourself. जी रेजा.
मुझे इंटू समझ नहीं आया है, कॉल पर समझा सकती हैं आप?
Definitely better listen now. Into we use when we are doing action. जब आप कोई चीज किसी चीज के अंदर डाल रहे हैं. For example, I'm putting money into my pocket. I'm putting fruits into the fridge or refrigerator. Are you getting it? At the time you are doing an action. ठीक है? आप क्या कर रही हैं? आप पैसे जेब में डाल रही हैं. आप फ्रूट्स फ्रिज में रख रही हैं. ठीक है? The action is going on. Did you understand that?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Okay. I'm moving forward. Within. Where do we use within? Within talk about time limit, specific time. For example, I will complete my syllabus within 15 days. Fine. You will get your result within 4 days. So here I'm specifying a time limit or specifying a duration. कि कितने दिन में मैं आपको रिजल्ट दे दूंगी. ठीक है? How long will I take for that? Within specify a time, a duration, a specific duration. जी Abia Imran, you wish to add something? Abia, please open the video of yours, Reja. In this manner, how could I get it? What did you?
Teacher, teacher, I have one example. You have to complete your assignment within 10 days.
Yes, you have to submit brochure within 1 day. ठीक है? Otherwise, you won't be getting 5 marks. ठीक है ना जी? Is that clear to everyone? Vania, adjust your video, adjust the camera of yours, please. Everyone, show a thumbs up sign. You understand the topic, and please message me that you are present quickly. Message me you are present right now. Only Reja, Saqib, they all did. Others did not message me. You all are absent today. I will mark absent. ठीक है ना? Sinan did not message me. Fatma Mohsin did not message me. Abdullah Farhan did not message me. Amsal did not message me. Asghar did not message me. ठीक है, I'm writing absent. Shall I? Okay. Now I want all of you to make 1 sentences of each. In, into, within or inside. 4 preposition we did in detail today. Come on. Quickly. Examples. Fatma, please speak up. Fatma Mohsin.
Yes, I have messaged you.
Very good. Yes, few students did so. Now all did not do that. Ji bete. Now make Fatma Mohsin your sentence, please. 4 sentences. In, into, within, or inside. Quickly. Use in sentences. And speak loudly and clearly, all of you. Do take part, please. Wait, Rafil, let Fatma Mohsin share first.
Picture of within and
within, inside, into. Few preposition you already know. For example, under, down. Few are very complicated now. That's why I'm making you understand. I know you can easily practice down, under. These all are very easy. But few are a little bit complicated, which I will make you understand. Okay? G. Now Rafish, share sentence. Please, quickly. Speak up. Quickly. Unmute yourself, Rafi. Till Fatma Mohsin is writing and practicing. You can share right now. Quickly share with him. You all can verbally share with me. Please. Okay, Abhiya, unmute yourself. Speak up there. We have only 5 to 6 minutes. Start sharing the sentences.
Teacher, we have to write or we have to speak to
You
you?
have to speak up. Come on, speak.
Okay. So teacher, please put the sugar in the tea. You have to do your work within.
You are putting into. Action is going on. चीनी ऑलरेडी मौजूद होगी ना तो आप कहेंगे द शुगर इज इन द टी. ठीक है, आप डाल रही हैं पुटिंग इनटू द टी. ठीक है, now come on, move on.
You have to complete your syllabus within 20 minutes.
Very good. Now inside.
The baby is inside the coat.
Okay, the baby is inside the cot. ठीक है, not coat, cot. Baby cot कहते हैं ना उसको. ठीक है जी. Now who wish to share with me? Amsal, speak up. What are you writing, dear? Amsal.
Yes, miss.
She shared the sentences.
Okay, miss. I will check your homework in 5 minutes.
I will check within 5 minutes. Within, not in 5 minutes. Fine. I will do correction within 5 minutes. Here you आप specify कर रहे हैं ना टाइम को कि कब तक कर लेंगे, तो यहाँ पर आप within use करेंगे. जी, Anaya, you wish to add something? Anaya, Vijay, the video is closed. How could I get it? Vijay, please open the video.
Miss, I just wanna speak sentences.
You made 3 sentences?
Yes.
Okay, share with him. Speak up.
Put the salt in the food.
Put the salt. Continue with him. Internet is start working right now. Let me check. Hello, am I audible to all of you?